everybody wants to work at home. And it's so nice, it's so convenient, but it misses something. It misses mentorship, right? I remember I was listening to the CEO, of one of the largest banks in the world here, who kind of went off and they had an audio recording of it. But he was talking about this whole idea of virtual. He goes, it sounds nice, but then you're never going to become anybody because you get around somebody you can learn from and absorb from. Just doing a Zoom every now and then doesn't do it. There's proximity is power. If you get around people that are the best in the world, you're going to absorb some of it. If you're doing it from a distance, it's okay, but it's not the same. And so he met a man there at Bell Labs who became his mentor, but he was not nice to him. He just said, look, kid, we got this problem. Go figure out how to solve it. And so, his parents had told him your job in life is to solve problems. So he went to the library in those days and he didn't even know what the words meant and what the problem was. He studied, he figured it out. He came back to the guy and he said, I figured this and this out, but I haven't figured that out. He goes, okay, I'm impressed you did that work. And he mentored him. He said, you look for this, this, and this. And he sent him off again. Well, within 3 weeks, he solved this huge problem for Bell Laboratories at 17 years old. And they said, this kid's a genius. No, his genius was relentlessness. His genius was he wouldn't give up. His genius was he was so hungry and driven that he was willing to do whatever it took. But then he kept coming back to this guy. And because he kept coming back to the mentor with hard work and results, the guy took an interest in him. And that's where his entire career started. And to this day, Robert will tell you, that same curiosity, that same relentlessness is the secret.